There are two Adobe products that work hand in hand with Audition. One is this product here, Bridge, and the other is the video editing product from Adobe Premiere Pro. I'm going to give you a brief demo of both of them. Here we are inside Bridge, and I've gone to the Working Files folder, Music subfolder, just couldn't be that way folder, and here you see the icons for the various WAV files inside that folder. What's great about this is that if you click on one of these guys,
I couldn't give you a...
it immediately previews over here. You can loop it, you can change the volume level, things like that. Now this looks a lot like the media browser inside Audition, but you've got a lot more real estate here. I think a lot more functionality, so sometimes it's a little bit easier to work here. You can also see the metadata nice and easily here, so it's just a comfortable place to work if you want to just preview a bunch of files. And if you decide you like a bunch of files, want to work with them, you can control or command click on some number of them like that, and then right click and say open with Adobe Audition. And that will bring them all into Audition, ready to edit. So that's Bridge. This is Premiere Pro. And a typical workflow in video editing is that you're working along on a bunch of video files and you run into an audio issue that you can't solve inside Premiere, like noise reduction, for example, or removing unwanted sounds. You can edit that file inside Audition directly. It's a really clever feature inside Premiere. So here I've got this video clip that you've seen before here on the timeline in a sequence in Premiere. I just right click on it, scroll down here a little ways to the Edit Clip in Adobe Audition. And I click on that. That does two things. That brings the clip into Audition. And if I go back to Premiere Pro, you see that it's changed the name of the clip here in the timeline in the sequence. It's created a whole new audio clip, a separate clip called that. It takes the original title of that clip and adds audio extracted after it. And it saves it inside the folder where your Premiere Pro project is located. So back on Audition, I can work on this file. I can, let's say, select the left channel. I can double click on it to select all of it. Go Control C to copy it. Go down here to the right channel. Make sure I get my current time indicator to the beginning and go Control or Command V to paste it. So now I've pasted the left channel into the right and duplicated that. I can increase the volume. These are things you could do in Premiere, but I'm just trying to show you that you can make some changes here. Let's say I added effect to it, like some good old reverb effect that we've relied on so much throughout the time here. We'll just take the defaults in this one. Let's see what it sounds like. Whoa, very obvious. So I'll click that one, close that one, or apply that one. There you go. We'll raise the volume again here just to make sure we get that back. And now once I do that, I save this. I simply click on it, go Control or Command S, or go File Save. I can now close Audition. We're done. And we come back to Premiere Pro, and that clip that we worked on in Audition is open here in Premiere Pro.
It's so colorful.
So all those changes were made, and they immediately show up inside Premiere Pro. What a great feature to be able to go back and forth between those products so seamlessly. So those are two products that work with Audition, and the end result, I think, is that they smooth your workflow and improve the quality of your projects.